today I'm gonna share you how to bake a red velvet cake in easiest way. So what you are waiting for? Let's go to see our ingredients. To do this cake, I use a cake mix from Cook Baker's ingredient house. Mix with 3 eggs, melted butter and plenty amount of water. Let's get started. Now get all the ingredients, egg, plenty water and melted butter and mix evenly so you get a nice cake texture. Next, pour it into a cake pan and place it to a preheated oven and wait until it's done. Make sure the temperature is 180 degrees and bake till the cake is done. While waiting, we can prepare the cream for the cake. For this cake, I use cream cheese frosting. Just mix cream cheese, icing sugar and 50 gram butter evenly and the cream is ready for the topping. To make the cake look more special, I use chocolate, artificial flower and a happy birthday stand as a decoration. And now, you are done. Easy, isn't it? Hope you try this easy way baking cake. See you again. Bye.
As long